Alexa, play Bakugan.
Bakugan by Bai C. Pei on Amazon Music.
Alright. Let's amp it up. Tonight we're gonna draw Bakugan Ingram from Bakugan New Vestroya. Wow, I haven't seen this Bakugan form in a long time. It's amazing. First I drew Hylash, and now this. Yep, this just got better and better. Ingram first appeared on Bakugan New Vestroya when Dragonoid first fought against Helios. He's as fast as a ninja, and he's really resourceful when it comes to flying. He can also merge with Hylash, which I'll show to you soon. Here we have his chest. Huh. Wow. Here's his spears. Here we are. Alexa, play Ben 10 Race Against Time theme.
Here's Ben 10 Race Against Time theme by Neil Stenson on Amazon Music.
I haven't really gotten the chance to get Ingram, unfortunately, but I do have Cosmic Ingram. But that has nothing to do with the video, so never mind. There we are. There we are. Here are the wings. Alexa, what is Ingram?
In England, the name Ingram means angel. In Germany, the name Ingram means Ing's raven. Ing was the Norse god of peace and fertility.
Huh. didn't think this Bakugan would be named after a god. Man, what would they think of next? There we are. Here is Ingram's wings. And finished. There he is. That is how you draw Ingram from Bakugan New Vestroya. He looks amazing. That takes care of one Bakugan taken care of. There's more Bakugan like this on the way. So be sure to check out the Bakugan playlist and check out for more Bakugan in the comments below. Good night, guys.